Time to go to Bryce Canyon. Bye bye, hotel room. Have a good day. It's a 2-hour drive to Bryce Canyon. I have a tendency to fall asleep as a passenger in cars, so hopefully I'll get up to 7 hours on this trip. We'll see.
Snoqualmie Pass is around 3,300. This was 9,900. I was thinking it might be
6,000?
Closer to 6.
But we're pretty high up, huh?
Almost 10,000 feet.
Whoa, what is that?
Sometimes I wake up like you did or she can't sleep. You end up with like 5 hours sleep, and you're kind of thinking, oh man, it's gonna be
a rough
tough
day
today. Yeah, but then you wake up, you know.
Yeah, I'm trying not to let that get in my head, because...
Well, you probably feel fine now.
No. Oh, yes. That's pretty great. Take a look. Just do it. That all you need is a sled, don't you think? And you can go down the... I swear to God, it's been 4 days of sarcasm with him and he still hasn't figured it out.